Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle from 1878. Black just has the king, 3 pawns and a bishop. White has the king, queen, bishop, knight and a pawn. It's White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? Moving the queen to c5 is only a checkmate in 4. The king keeps having escape squares, but you can eventually chase them to the edge of the board with the queen and the bishop, and finally mate in 4 with the knight. Moving the queen to e5 is only a checkmate in 4. The king moves to f4, you can mate in 3 with the queen. But if the king moves down to e2, then you can mate by pushing the king to the side of the board as before. Taking the pawn with the bishop isn't a mate in 2, it's only a mate in 5. You can keep chasing the king by moving the queen to squares protected by the knight. Eventually you can move in to checkmate in 5. Sacking the bishop by moving it to c4 is still a checkmate in 5. You can chase the king to the edge of the board with the knight and then the queen. And then when you move the knight to c4, the king is pinned against the edge of the board and can't move, so it has to move a pawn or the bishop. And then you can do quite a nice checkmate in 5 with a pawn. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move the queen to f4. If black pushes the c-pawn, you can then move the queen to d2 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the bishop with the king, you can then move the knight to c3 to checkmate in 2. And if black decides to take the bishop with the pawn, there's a neat reveal checkmate in 2 by moving the knight to f2. If black decides to take the knight with the pawn, then again you can move the queen to d2 to checkmate in 2. That's it for this puzzle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.